Changing your primary email on SoFi loans is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the SoFi website and log into your account using your current credentials. Make sure you have access to your account to begin the process. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings section. This is typically found in the menu or profile icon at the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, look for an option related to email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed to the email management section. Step 4. Update your primary email. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button to confirm the changes. You may also receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages from SoFi. This will help ensure your account is fully updated and secure.